You want more income, more reach, more scale. But here's the rule. Money doesn't solve, it magnifies. If you're scattered, you'll scale chaos. If you're insecure, you'll upgrade your mask. If you're reactive, you'll react. Faster with more damage. Marcus Aurelius said, "The soul becomes dyed with the color of its thoughts." And when that soul holds capital, that color bleeds wide. Here's the Stoic reset. Fix the input, your systems, your code, your patterns. Build clarity, build pause, build identity before income. Because a strong man with money compounds value. A weak one compounds collapse. The Stoic doesn't chase scale. He audits structure, and only when the vessel is solid does he pour in more. Save this for the moment you say, "If I just had more," and remind yourself, if the man isn't calibrated, the money will only make the noise louder.